In this video, we're taking a tour of a model home by Toll Brothers. Hello everyone, this is Charlie Flores. I'm a realtor with Herron Real Estate. Today I'm out here in the Bartram Ranch community located in the city of St. John's within St. John's County. Today we're going to be touring the Delmonico floor plan. This floor plan is a 2-story floor plan that features 4 to 6 bedrooms, 4 to 5 bathrooms, 3 to 4 car garage, and has approximately 3,985 square feet depending on the structural options. Now, if you're new to this channel, my name is Charlie Flores. I'm a realtor here in the Northeast Florida area. And if you're interested in knowing more about the new communities here, feel free to reach out, shoot me a text or an email, and I'd love to connect. All right, here we're entering into the foyer. Nice light fixture there, very bright. Now there is opportunity to build from ground up or purchase a quick move-in or move-in ready home here at Bartram Ranch. We're going to continue our tour straight ahead, heading into bedroom 2. Straight ahead, that is the garage entry door to the 1-car garage. Now, this is bedroom 2. This bedroom is approximately 12 feet with 6 inches by 11 feet 6 inches. If you're building from ground up, you have the opportunity to customize the finishes in the home, the type of flooring, trim, ensuite bath here, walk-in shower. You'll also be able to customize the tile options, countertops, cabinetry when building from ground up. Transom window there. Next is the laundry room. Now this laundry room has cabinetry, a sink, all that can be chosen at the design center. Now straight ahead is the great room. This is a 2-story great room. Take a look at those light fixtures, coffered ceiling, transom windows up there, and then the sliders allowing for lots of natural light. Now there is a structural option to include a fireplace. And the great room is approximately 21 feet by 21 feet dimensions. Next is an office. Now this office space includes double doors. However, for showing purposes, they're not included in the model home. This space is approximately 17 feet by 11 feet 6 inches. All right, straight ahead is the kitchen. Now check out this large island. You have space for 4 chairs here. Then additional cabinetry here. Now the cabinetry would be something that, as I was mentioning before, would be chosen at the design center unless you're purchasing a move-in ready home where all of the finishes, structural options have been decided or chosen by the builder. Stacked cabinets, under cabinet lighting, gourmet kitchen layout, cooktop here, and then microwave oven combo. Let's take a look at the pantry. All right, and this is the mud room. It's the entry to the 2-car garage. Here is the pantry. Straight ahead is the dining room. And this area is approximately 20 feet by 16 feet 9 inches. You see lots of windows in this area, allowing lots of natural light, but then also being able to enjoy the backyard view while you're enjoying company or having breakfast. Before we take a look at the primary suite, we're going to take a look outside. All right, stepping out into the lanai. Here we have an outdoor kitchen. Now, if you're looking to install an outdoor kitchen after you close on your home, we can definitely look into the pre-plumbing or just the outdoor kitchen prep. That way you have the plumbing and the electrical there for when you're ready to install the outdoor kitchen. Have a pool. Check out this bar area. All right, let's take a look at the primary bedroom. All right, now we're entering into the primary bedroom, primary suite. This model features a tray ceiling, 4 windows over here, 2 there, allowing lots of natural light. Next is the primary bath, walk-in shower, rain shower head there. All right, and then 2 sinks and a standalone tub. Water closet, and then we head into the walk-in closet. Now this is a large space. This area is approximately 17 feet with 4 inches by 8 feet 5 inches. Before we take a look upstairs, there is a powder room that we'll take a look at. Okay, so here's the powder room. All right, now let's go upstairs. Okay, this model features the wooden stairs. This is also something that you'd be able to choose at the design center, whether you prefer wood or carpet, a knee wall or open railing. Here is the loft, and it's been nicely staged as a media / game room, giving us an idea of the space and also ideas for the space. And the loft is approximately 24 feet with 6 inches by 17 feet 3 inches. Here's a view to the great room, and there is a structural option to add a bedroom here in this space, so you will lose the 2-story living room, but if you're looking for that additional bedroom, there is that option. Continuing our tour into bedroom 3 here to the left. This bedroom is 13 by 12 feet 6 inches, and the second floor features 9-foot ceilings, and on the first floor there will be at least 10-foot ceilings in most of the living area. This is the closet for bedroom 3. Walk-in closet with a window. Next is a full bathroom. This bathroom features a shower tub combo, transom window there, then the Listello there. Now the next bedroom is a structural option. This is an additional room that can be added. This bedroom is approximately 17 feet 8 inches by 14 feet 2 inches. So a large room, closet. All right, before we head over to the other side, there is a linen closet here. Store some linen, games, mechanical room here, so that's where the HVAC will be. All right, bedroom 4 here to the right has 14 feet by 13 feet 8 inches. Now this room is standard. The next room we're going to see, that would be a structural option. Okay, this is the walk-in closet. This bedroom features an ensuite bath. Shower tub combo. Let's take a look at the additional bedroom that can be added. Now this bedroom is 18 by 16 feet. It's a large bedroom. And walk-in closet here. And then here is the ensuite bath. And then walk-in shower. So ensuite bath at bedroom 4, and then the additional bedroom that would be added on the side of the bedroom 4. So 2 ensuite baths. If you'd like more information on Toll Brothers or looking to move to the St. Johns County or Northeast Florida area, I'd love to connect. Feel free to give me a call, shoot me a text or an email. Once again, my name is Charlie Flores. I'm a realtor with Herron Real Estate. I hope you enjoyed the video.